So you've taken pre-order of your delayed Google Pixel 4a, or you're waiting patiently for the affordable Android phone to turn up at your door. It's a small phone that doesn't need any extra bulk, which is why you might want to take a look at a super slim case from MNML, who we've teamed up with to give you a sizable discount on their latest lineup for the A series made by Google phones, and on top of that, any other smartphone for that matter. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. The entire MNML case lineup for the Pixel 4a is clean and refined, but my choice for the just black Pixel 4a has been the frosted black, which gives the Pixel 4a a nice grey satin tone. Plus, because the MNML case is just 0.35mm thick, it doesn't add any unnecessary bulk, while also protecting the plastic unibody from dirt, grime and scuffs. This gives you peace of mind and a classy look that doesn't detract from the exceptional design and feel of your brand new smartphone, while giving you extra grip and protection against the elements. Another bonus is that in a post-COVID world, you can just remove and disinfect your case without fear of damaging it. Minimal by name, minimal by nature too, as all MNML cases are completely branding free, so that you're not walking around with an unsightly logo on the back of your device. Despite adding almost no bulk, all MNML cases are incredibly precise with perfect cutouts for charge ports, sensors, and even a raised lip around the camera bump that ensures the protruding camera notch stays safe and protected, and therefore free from scratches, dings and bumps. You can pick up the MNML case for the Pixel 4a in 3 colours, including frosted white, frosted black and a neat matte black option, all of which are precise and perfectly proportioned for the Pixel 4a. All MNML cases ship in just 1 business day and are even backed by a 100% money back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied, which we are sure you will be. If you want to pick up one for yourself, you can get $10 off with our simple code 9to5Google for a limited time via the links in the description, and thanks to MNML for sponsoring 9to5Google here on YouTube.